is gamma n, and gamma n is 0 if n is greater than m. Correct. That means in this summation, in the series n from 0 to infinity can be written as n from 0 to m plus summation n from m plus 1 to m plus 1 to infinity. So this is 0 now. Correct. If n is greater than m, gamma n is 0. So this whole thing is 0. Okay. So this series we can write it as modulus of summation n from 0 to m of this 3 by 4 to the power n, and we know that if it is from 0 to m, that means n is less than or equal to m, means it will be 4 power m. So we can write it as 4 power n. Okay, clear? So and split this and write. For m I can write separately. This will be 3 by 4 to the power m into 4 power m plus summation n from 0 to m minus 1, 3 by 4 to the power n into 4 power m. So this 4 power n will be cancelled, 4 power m will be cancelled. So we will be having modulus of, and the modulus I can write it as greater than or equal to 3 power m minus summation n from 0 to m minus 1, 3 power m. Correct. Which is, so this is finite series. Finite series we know that this will be till m means it will be 3 power m plus 1 by minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So here it is m minus 1. So this will be 3 power m minus. So why we are taking this greater than or equal to minus is to get to infinity. Okay, if you take less than or equal to something, it may converge. Okay, means it will be difficult to prove that it diverges. Okay, so we are taking greater than or equal to and doing this. So 3 power m is first minus 3 power m minus 1 by 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, so this will be 3 power m plus 1 by 2. This goes to infinity as m goes to infinity. As m goes to infinity, it's nothing but as delta m goes to 0. Okay, so this ratio goes to infinity as delta m goes to 0. Okay. What is the conclusion? F of x plus delta m minus f of x by delta m goes to infinity as delta m goes to 0. This implies f is not differentiable at x. Since x belongs to R was arbitrary, f is not differentiable at every x in R, that means not differentiable on whole of R. So therefore there exists a continuous function on R which is nowhere differentiable. That function is the function which we wrote. Okay. F of x is summation 3 by 4 to the power n phi of 4 power n x. Okay, you go and search the graph of this. Search the graph of this function. Okay, go and search this. You can see that sharp edges everywhere in the real life. Okay, so go and search what is the graph of this function, so that you can have an idea about this. Okay, so this is the example for a continuous function which is not differentiable everywhere. Okay, that is this function. We have constructed this function and proved that it is continuous and nowhere differentiable. Okay, thank you.